Hello, my amazing class. It is vocabulary time, so that means you get to look at my mouth. So here are the vocabulary words for week 6. The first word is empathetic. Remember to stick your tongue out when you do the TH. Empathetic. Empathetic. This means that you are a person who feels for someone. You have kind words or thoughts towards some people. The next word is insult. Insult. The word insult means that you say rude comments towards someone. So for example, if I saw Sally come in, I would be rude and say, Sally, your dress is so wrinkly. What made you come out of the house looking like that? The next word is interpersonal. Interpersonal. Interpersonal means that you have communication skills. So for example, before COVID, we shook hands. Now, after COVID, we stand 6 feet apart from someone. The next word is non-verbal. Non-verbal. This is communication that is not spoken. For example, if your teenager came in the house and slammed the door and stomped his or her feet, you would know the type of mood that teenager was in. The next word is passive. Passive. This means that you pretty much don't have emotion. You're just meh. You are not interested in anything. The next word is sarcasm. Sarcasm. Sarcasm in the workplace is very different than sarcasm with friends. Sarcasm in the workplace can be taken very badly. So, for example, I was in the workplace and I heard people joking about a student who was not able to hear. I was very offended by this because my husband wears hearing aids. He can't hear. And so that joke was very offensive to me. Versus if you're joking around with a friend and say, yo, man, you don't have to talk so loud. I'm not deaf. Okay? So that's going to be taken differently among friends versus in the workplace. So just be careful with sarcasm, which is joking. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Have an amazing day.